A quick summary of Dr. Joe Dispenza on manifestation. Good day, everyone. Welcome back to this channel. It's great to meet again. In this video, we'll talk about the brilliant neuroscientist, Dr. Joe Dispenza, and his opinions on manifestation. But first, subscribe to our channel and click the notification bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. To use the abilities of manifestation, you must first understand what manifestation is. You can apply manifestation to anything once you understand what it is and how to use it. This video will show you how to manifest anything you desire, and I guarantee that if you apply what you learned in this video to your life path, you'll learn much more quickly, much more easily, and with far less effort than ever before. Dr. Joe Dispenza deserves credit. Let's get started with the manifestation process. You're probably aware that manifesting works for others, but you're not sure what you're lacking to make it work for you. The most common reason people become stuck while manifesting is that they are unaware of all the necessary steps to co-create and manifest with the universe. What does manifestation mean? There are numerous definitions for the term manifest, but the most basic is that it is anything that is pushed into your physical world through your thoughts, feelings, and ideas. This means that anything you put your attention on becomes your reality. Meditation, visualization, or simply your conscious or subconscious mind can help you focus and manifest. Manifesting is the term for this procedure. For example, if you've been considering taking a new job and have been very specific about what you want and when you want it, your thoughts and feelings about it will be intense. You might then try to meditate or envision your objective, which will assist you in making it a reality. You would have effectively materialized your new job into your life if you got it and it was all you desired. Now that you've learned what manifestation is, it's time to learn how it works. How does manifestation work? A manifestation, like the law of attraction, is when your thoughts and energy combine to create your reality. If you are consistently pessimistic and depressed, you will attract and manifest bad energy. If that's the case, you might start manifesting things you don't want in your life. This is why, when attempting to materialize, it is critical to cleanse your mind and maintain a positive mindset. Manifestation requires more than just your thoughts. It also necessitates some type of action on your part. This could include applying for employment that matches your qualifications and attending interviews. Visualizing your thoughts and feelings about your career will help you feel more driven and positive about bringing these improvements to fruition. This will then motivate you to take action and in turn bring your dreams into reality. Choose what you want to manifest. When you decide to materialize something specific, it's critical that you understand why you want it in your life. And if you're trying to materialize something in less than 24 hours, you'll need to choose something you believe you can do in that time. So for example, announcing you want to establish a new business in 24 hours is meaningless unless you truly feel you can achieve this goal in the next 24 hours. However, you may believe that you can manifest the next step in your trip to a new business in a matter of seconds, in which case you should establish that as your goal. For example, completing a business plan, or obtaining a loan, or finding someone to collaborate with. When picking a thing to manifest, ask yourself the following questions. Do I really want this in my heart of hearts? How will I benefit from having this? When I think about having this, how does it feel? How will it be good for me and for others? Whatever you want has to be the greater good and something you want in itself. Most likely something that's a significant step on the journey towards a greater manifestation goal. So, in summary, decide what you want, really connect with the intention to have it, and believe that you will receive what you ask for. Get rid of things that stand in your way. Almost always, there will be something standing in your way to success. This shouldn't scare you. This is just part of the whole manifestation process. Keep an eye out for these two most common manifestation blocks. Bad beliefs. If you are in a bad place emotionally, you need to first get yourself into the right mindset before you can successfully manifest anything. You can't be focusing on negativity and expect to attract good things into your life. Negative people. When you are working on manifesting your dream, you need to make sure no one is holding you back. People who don't believe in you, always criticize you, and/or complain about everything are blocks that will keep you from doing your best. Everything you want will happen. Keep believing and keep working in your goal. Sit back and think about how your manifestation process is going at the moment. Do you feel like you're on the right path, or is something holding you back? Know what your why is. After you've figured out what you want, ask yourself why you want these things. You may be confident that you actually desire what you believe you want, and for the proper reasons, this way. We sometimes desire particular things as a result of the influence of others. Knowing what is true for us and determining if the things we desire in life are indeed what we desire is a crucial element of the manifestation process. Here are a few questions to ask yourself to help guide this discovery. Is this really and truly what I want? How will I benefit in my life from having this? When I think of having this, how do I feel? Ask the universe. Once you have your list, it's time to amp up your signal to the universe by asking for what you want. When you're clear on what you want to materialize, the universe can assist you. If you don't ask, it will still try to assist you, but it will make educated guesses about what you really want. Don't take chances with what you get. Instead, ask for what you want. Prayer, meditation, vision, and visualization boards are just a few of the methods to ask. Writing a letter to the cosmos is a simple method to ask for what you want. Once a day, ask the universe for what you desire, and your demands will become increasingly evident. Visualize what you want to manifest. You've probably already learned the fundamentals of visualization and have attempted to put them into practice a few times. Start your current manifestation quest by going somewhere quiet and secluded and envisioning the thing you want for 1 minute. Put all of your focus and energy into visualizing it in your mind's eye, and let all of your positive sentiments about the object or outcome to well up inside you. This phase works best if you use multisensory imagery, which means you can see, hear, smell, touch, and, if applicable, taste the result you want to achieve. Make it as authentic as possible so it feels like it's already yours. Add as many specifics as you can, but don't try to imagine how the product or outcome will become yours. Instead, concentrate entirely on the end result of getting what you want. Don't worry about how you want your desired thing or outcome to appear, and don't expect it to come to you through any specific person or means. Your attention should be drawn on the final result of obtaining the object of your desire. Work and take action. You can spend the remainder of your time as you normally would. There is no specific action you must take in order for manifestation to occur. Your intentions are what will determine your success. You aren't just waiting for what you want to appear once you've fully comprehended what we've covered in this video. You have a strong desire to do something specific, whether it makes sense right away or it is more of a intuition-driven desire. Then consider your gut and take that action. Do it if it feels natural. There are some common reasons why you might not be manifesting quickly. In particular, consider whether you're doubting the process. Do you either not believe you'll get what you ask for because you don't think you deserve it? Or perhaps doubt whether it's possible to manifest using the law of attraction? Manifesting is the art of collaborating with the cosmos to create something new. Working toward your objectives enhances the likelihood of getting what you desire. It's also enjoyable. Make a list of 3 things you can do today to get closer to your goal. If you don't know what to do, use Google to find out what you can do. Someone has most certainly suffered with the same problem and written about it. Allow yourself to be inspired by the work of others Start taking action now and keep going until you achieve your goal. Appreciate and recognize. Although this may not appear to be noteworthy at first, it can have a tremendous impact on your future manifestation potential. Essentially, the main idea here is that if you reach your goal, you must completely appreciate what you have. It's all too easy to forget that you asked for what you got, so take precautions to avoid this. Return to how you felt and thought when you originally visualized your desired thing or outcome, and connect those feelings and thoughts to the new adventure of having it. Consider the physical evidence you have that thoughts are things and that thinking in a certain manner can affect the world around you. The more you focus and develop this link, the better you will be at manifesting in the future. Bottom line, your mind is the most powerful mechanism in the universe. If you learn to harness it, master it, and control it, you can use it for anything you want in this world. Happy manifesting. Hey, you've made it to the end of this video. So what do you think of Dr. Joe's thoughts on manifestation? Let us know in the comments section. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you drop a like and subscribe. Oh, and turn on post notifications. Now, if you'll excuse me, thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.